Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate all of you a lot. So guys, if you like this yumicious unripe plantain, stay tuned. Let's go into it. Okay, this is unripe plantain. It's already sliced. Okay, this is my crayfish, spinach. This is my seasoning. I'll be using Mr. Mix. 1 large onion, green onion, oil, red oil. I'll be using this fish, okay, this type of fish and this to make this porridge plantain. Okay, the first thing I will do is to cut my fish on the size that I like it. So the next thing I'll be doing is to slice my green onion and red onion. So I'll go ahead and throw my fish inside a pot and boil the fish for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna put my ingredients. I'll be putting onion, my salt, and seasonings. Okay, as you can see, I'll go ahead and wash my crayfish thoroughly clean. So my fish has been cooking for 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and remove all the fish so that it's not gonna scatter in the pot. So I will use the spoon and pieces the remaining fish that is in the pot. That's gonna give the porridge plantain the taste. So I'm gonna use this spoon to pieces it. I'll go ahead and put my crayfish already washed, and I will be adding a little water. So at this point, I'll be adding my palm oil, or you call it red oil. So now I'll go ahead and add my unripe plantain. So I'll go ahead and give it a nice stir. Okay, right now I am adding my chicken broth that I brought out from my fridge. I'm gonna be adding only 1 spoon. So I'll add warm water. So I'll be adding my chopped onion, and I'll put back the fish gently. So now I'm gonna cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after some minutes, for about 10 minutes, I'm bringing out my fish, and after that I'm gonna add my little spinach and give it a nice stir. Voila, my yummy porridge unripe plantain is ready. So guys, get your spoon, get your plate, let's enjoy this yumicious unripe plantain. Okay guys, you need to try this recipe out. It contains a lot of iron. You're not gonna regret it. Okay, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.